Assalamualaikum, welcome back on Rati Education Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share about Shahid Zulfikar Ali Bhutto Medical University entry test paper that was held in 2022. This paper, these questions are beneficial for all the aspirants of medical universities and also candidates who are preparing for biology lecturers or any test where biology is required. Watch this complete video and provide your valuable feedback in the comment box. Question paper is invisible. Some of the questions are invisible, so please correct me if I am making any mistake in the video. Thank you. In this I have Rati Educational Academy for admission information, scholarship opportunities and job preparation. Thank you. Each granum consists of dash thylakoids. And the correct answer is 25 to 50. Question number 2. The terminal ends of chromosomes are called, and the correct answer is telomeres. If there is a mistake in any question or in any pronunciation, just comment us. Thank you. Question number 3. Which organelles would be more abundant in secretory cell than cells? And the correct answer is Golgi complex. Question number 4. The structure which disappears during cell division is a nucleus. Question number 5. The enzymes ATP synthase is located on the membrane of mitochondria. Question number 7. Which axon would transmit an action potential most rapidly? And the correct answer is 2 mm diameter neuron with million. Question number 8. Vasopressin is an example of, and the correct answer is peptide hormone. Question number 9. Which function is not controlled by hypothalamus? And the correct answer is storing long time memories. Question number 10. Posterior lobe of pituitary glands produces oxytocin. Question number 11. In neurons, the message is transmitted zero synapse in the messenger called, and it is a neurotransmitter. Question number 12. Microscopic gap between the two neurons is called synapse. Question number 13. In a reflex arc, the cell body of sensory neuron is located in dorsal root ganglion. Question number 14. The feelings and emotions of love and hate are controlled by, and the correct answer is amygdala. Question number 15. Which of the following is true about amoeba? And the correct answer is they move by forming specialized cytoplasmic projections called. Question number 16. Negative feedback mechanism is the characteristics of which class? And the correct answer is D, class Mammalia. Subscribe Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel and also follow us on TikTok and Facebook. Sharing MDCAT paper for Shahid Zulfikar Ali Bhutto Medical University Islamabad Biology section. Question number 17. The catalytic activity of an enzyme is restricted to its small portion called active site. Question number 18. The maximum enzymatic activity of trypsin is shown at pH. Question number 19. Most enzymes have an optimum temperature of around 40 Celsius. Question number 20. Enzymes work by lowering the activation energy of reaction they catalyze. Question number 21. In terms of enzymes actions, maximum temperature refers to a temperature enzymes starts to denature. Question number 22. Dash reduces the enzyme's productivity by blocking the substrate entering into the active site due to similar shapes, and the correct answer is competitive inhibitors. Question number 23. He presented the theory of origin of by means of natural reactions, and the correct answer is Darwin. 24. Among the oldest known fossils comes the prokaryotes. Question number 25. What is the contribution of hormone cholecystokinin? And the correct answer is facilitates bite release from gallbladder. Question number 26. Which of the following is not a component of bite? And the correct answer is A. Digestive enzymes. Bile or bite. Question number 27. The first chemical digestion of proteins takes place in the stomach. Question number 26. Select the duration of periodic cycle, and the correct answer is 0.8 seconds. Question number 29. Select the hormone which increase the activity of parietal and chafe cells, and the correct answer is gastrin. Question number 30. The pathway of water transport in which water moves through a plasmodestin is symplast. Question number 31. Enzymes trapezinogen is activated by invisible. Question number 32. Question number 32. Emulsification of large fat globules is facilitated by bile cells or bile cells. Invisible. Question number 33. The areas between the two lungs is called mediastinum. Question number 34. In human heart, the left atrium receives the 4 pulmonary veins. Question number 35. All viruses are parasites. Taken from Science, General Science, Class 8. Question number 36. Which of the following is transmitted through infected blood and syringes? And it is HIV. Question number 37. Light independent phase of photosynthesis involves formation of energy-rich carbohydrates. Question number 38. The element whose electrons are excited during light reactions of photosynthesis is magnesium. Question number 39. Select an example of fibrous protein, and the correct answer is collagen. Question number 40. Which function is not performed by proteins? And the correct answer is providing insulation against heat loss. Question number 41. 3 hydrophobic fatty acid tails and a glycerol molecules join to form a triglyceride. Question number 42. Which bond is the potential source of chemical energy for cellular activities? And the correct answer is CH. Question number 43. Which property of water enables it to act as temperature stabilizer in organisms? And the correct answer is high specific heat capacity. Question number 44. Which molecules don't contribute to the formation of biological membrane? And the correct answer is nucleoprotein. Question number 45. Which of the following carbohydrates are sweetest among all? And the correct answer is monosaccharides. Question number 46. Which organelles of animal cells are called suicidal bags? And the correct answer is lysosomes. Question number 47. Chemically, cell wall of fungi is made up of. Comment the right answer. Question number 48. The organelles which provides neurotransmitters in the nervous pathway is Golgi apparatus. Question number 49. The inner membrane of the mitochondria is folded to form finger-like crystin. Question number 50. Adenylate cyclane in the cell membrane acts as enzyme. Question number 51. Glycogen lipid droplets from the most important dish of the cell invisible. Comment question number with answer, please. Question number 52. Vaccination is an example of acquired artificial active immunity. Question number 53. Lymphatic system contains all of the following organic structure except lungs. Question number 54. The unique macromolecule in the bacterial cell wall is peptidoglycan. Question number 55. Transfer of genetic material from one bacterium to another through a third, usually bacteriophage, is called transduction. Question number 56. All of the following are physical methods to control bacteria except endostatic. Question number 57. Which of the following helps in developing immunity against germs? And the correct answer is vaccination. Question number 58. After fertilization, a zygote takes dash for its journey from fallopian to uterus, and it is 6 to 7 and days. Question number 59. The best temperature for spermatogenesis is 35 Celsius. Question number 60. In human females, FSH stimulates follicle development. Question number 61. Leydig cells in tests are responsible for testosterone production. Question number 62. The muscles contractions involves the breakdown of cross bridges of an meiosis filaments. Due to the following process, ATP is hydrolyzed. Question number 63. Dash is the inflammation of joints, and the correct answer is osteoarthritis. Question number 64. Tetany is caused by low Ca++ in blood. Question number 65. What is the function of myoglobin? It is store oxygen. Sorry if I am making any mistake. Questions are invisible. Question number 66. A joint in which ends of bones are covered with hyalinic cartilage and held together by surrounding tube-like capsules of dense fibrous tissue is synovial joint. Question number 67. These are the genes which tend to be inherited together and to don't assort independently, and the correct answer is linked genes. Question number 68. Mendelian inheritance follows which form of dominance relations, and the correct answer is complete dominance. I am going to share about physics portion. So question number 69. The unit of kinetic energy is same as that of, and the correct answer is work. Question number 70. Which one of the following provides centripetal force in a circular motion of the body, and the correct answer is a force of friction. Question number 71. How many radians are in 1 degree, and the correct answer is 0.0174 radians. Question number 72. Which one of the following is the angular velocity of an electric motor if it is radians 400 rpm? This question solve yourself. Question number 73. The tension in a string at the top of vertical circle is 0. Question number 74. The centripetal force in terms of angular velocity is given by Fc is equal to mrw power 2. Question number 75. Which one of the following is angular speed in radians per hour for daily rotations or of our earth, and the correct answer is pi upon 12. Question number 76. Wavelength of wave is defined as distance between two consecutive points, crests. Question number 77. Which one of the following factor does not affect the speed of sound in air, and the correct answer is pressure. Question number 78. Maximum displacement of particles from its mean position is called amplitude. Question number 79. The ultrasonic waves have frequency higher than 20 kHz. Question number 80. The increase in speed of sound for each degree rise above 0 Celsius is 0.61 meter per second. Subscribe Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok and Facebook. We have uploaded so many past papers for different universities across Pakistan. Stay connected with Rati Educational Academy and follow us on TikTok and Facebook. You may watch these papers in 2 to 3 playlists on Rati Educational Academy. University entry test preparation, separate playlist, and admission information. There are also more than 80 plus universities admissions are open, so you may watch if you want to apply for different universities. And there is also English preparation and mathematics preparation lectures upload on Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel, so you can visit these lectures as well, watch these. 2. The thermodynamic process during which volume of the system remain constant is called isochoric. Question number 83. The conditions of application of Boyle's law holds good in, and the correct answer is isothermal process. Question number 84. The internal energy of system during an isothermal process remain constant. Question number 85. Electric intensity due to charge distributions are calculated using which following law, and the correct answer is Gauss's law. Question number 86. The capacitance of capacitor does not depend on thickness of plates. Question number 87, the SI unit of potential difference is volt. Question number 88, electric potential is defined as work per unit charge. Question number 89, ohms meter is unit of resistivity. Question number 90, 1 EV is equal to 1.602 into 10 raised power minus 19 joule. Question number 91, the total resistance of wire is inversely proportional to area. Question number 92, kilowatt hour is unit of energy. Question number 93, the force exerted on charge particle will be maximum when it enters the magnitude field at 90 degree. Question number 94, when a charged particle enters the magnetic field parallel, then it will be move in circular motion. Question number 95, the SI unit for magnetic inductions B is Tesla. 1 Tesla is equal to Na power minus 1 and M power minus 1. Question number 96, two balls collide each other. It has been observed that the collision is elastic, which statement advocates the observation, and the correct answer is Ke, kinetic energy before collision is equal to kinetic energy after collision. Question number 97, the gradient of velocity time is equal to acceleration. Question number 98, at what pair of angles of projectile the ranges are equal? And the correct answer is 60 degree and 30 degree. Question number 99, two cars traveling on a straight road in opposite direction with a speed 70 kilometers per hour and 60 kilometers per hour. Their relative velocity will be 130 kilometers per hour. Question number 100, subscribe Rati Educational Academy and please provide your valuable feedback in the comment box. Two bodies having same mass undergo elastic collisions, then their velocities after collisions will be v1 power minus 2 is equal to v2 and v2 power minus 1 is equal to v1. Question number 101, the angle of projection of projectile for which its maximum height and horizontal range are equal is 76 degree. Question number 102, slope of distance time graph can never be negative. Question number 103, at highest point in a projectile motions the velocity will be constant and r0. v2 is equal to constant and v1 is equal to 0. Question number 104, the unit of power in British engineering system is horsepower. Question number 105, work done will negative if the angle between force and displacement is 180 degree. Question number 106, 1 nms power minus 1 is equal to 1 watt. Question number 107, 1 in interconversion of energy, the work done against the friction is Fh. Question number 108, a car of mass 800 kg accelerates from 20 m power minus 1 to 30 m power minus 1. The increase in kinetic energy 200 kJ. Question number 109, in flaming a right hand rule, the middle finger indicates induced current. Question number 110, a transformer works on the principle of Faraday's law and mutual induction. Question number 111, the efficiency of transformer is 90%. Question number 112, Lenz's law is also a statement of law of conservation of energy. Question number 113, a process in which only one half of alternate current is converted into current. Such process is called half-wave rectification. Question number 114, efficiency of full-wave rectifier circuit is almost dash. Then have wave circuit, and the correct answer is double. Question number 115, the conversion of alternating current into direct current is called rectification, and circuit is called rectifier. Which component of electronics acts as a rectifier? And the correct answer is diode. Question number 116, red light is used to photographic dark room because of a less frequency, more wavelength. Question number 117, which photons carries the most energy? And the correct answer is violent. Question number 118. Which one of the following series lies in the ultraviolet region? And the correct answer is Lyman series. Question number 119. Which X-ray photon will have the longest wavelength? And the correct answer is K invisible. Question number 120. The half life of iodine is equal to 31 is 8 days. Question number 121. The half life of carbon is 730 years. How much carbon will left after 22,920 years? And the correct answer is 1/16. Question number 122 and the last question of physics is skin burns, loss of hair, drop in the white blood cells, etc. are examples of somatic effect. Subscribe Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel. Share about chemistry questions that came in that test. Questions from 129 onwards. Question number 129. Before starting, I would like to share that questions from 123 to 128 are from logical reasoning. So I have skipped those questions. If you want to get information or solution of those questions, you may comment. I will upload questions. So question number 129. The molecules of iodine I2 form the and the correct answer is molecular crystals. Question number 130. When two ice cubes are pressed over each other, they unite to form one cube due to, and it is H bonding. Question number 131 is based on the equation, so skipping the question. Question number 132. The high pressure of 200 atm in Haber process is used for better yield. Question number 133. By which of the following factors equilibrium state is attained earlier? And the correct answer is catalyst. Question number 134. Which of the following is not the use of buffer solution? And the correct answer is predict the concentration of a substance. Question number 135. What is the incorrect about activated complex? And the correct answer is it is a stable species. Question number 136. The unit of rate constants the same as that of the rate of reaction in which following order of reaction? And the correct answer is 0. Question number 137. If the reaction is a first order with respect to a reactant, then the rate will be, if concentration is reactant is doubled, then the correct answer is doubled. Question number 138. The correct equation for the first law of thermodynamics is, question number 139, 1 calorie is equal to 4.18 joule. Question number 140. The thermal energy at constant pressure is called enthalpy. Question number 141. Which statement correctly describes the term standard electrode potential? Question number 42. Oxidation number of an element in free state is 0. Question number 143. The branch of science which deals with the conversion of electrical energy in chemical energy and vice versa is called electrochemistry. Question number 144. Which of the following has greatest difference of electronegativity? And the correct answer is HF. Question number 145. Ionization energy decrease down the group because atomic radius increase. Question number 146. Carbon atoms in ethane are sp⁻³ hybridized. Question number 147. The type of bonding in zinc is metallic. Question number 148. Which one of the following is semiconductor? And the correct answer is Si. Question number 149. Which of the following properly decrease in group 2 as we go down the group? And the correct answer is ionization energy. Question number 160. Which of the following alkali metals can form normal oxide as well as pre-oxide? And the correct answer is Na. Question number 151. The transition element which doesn't show variable valency is zinc. Question number 152. The bonding energy of transition metals increases up to group 6b. Question number 153. Homocyclic organic compounds are subdivided into two types, namely alicycles and aromatic. Question number 154. The type of merism arising due to shifting of proton from one atom in the same molecule is heteronerism. Question number 155. In alkanes, each carbon has high hybridization, sp power 2. Question number 156. For the reaction, it is based on the reaction. Question number 157 is also based on the reaction. Equation is given. Question number 158. 1 mole of substance is the amount of that substance that has the number of particles, atom, ions or molecules, as there are atoms in exactly 12 g of carbon, 12 isotopes. Question number 159. Principal quantum number is represented by the symbol. Question number 160. Shape of the subshell is explained by which quantum number, and it is azimuthal quantum number. Question number 161. The electronic configuration for degenerated orbits is explained by Hund's rule. Question number 162. Maximum number of electrons which can be placed in one orbital is 2. Question number 163. Air is mixture of gases. The molecules of air don't settle down due to elastic collision. Question number 164. Collision shown by gases involves the following: no energy change. Question number 165. According to Charles' law, volume of gas reduces to 0 at minus 275.15 Celsius. Question number 166. The strongest hydrogen bond is present in H2O. Question number 161. Which of the following has highest surface tension? And the correct answer is water. Question number 166. Which of the following has highest boiling point? And the correct answer is not visible. Question number 169. Ice floats on the surface of water due to empty spaces on the surface of ice. Question number 170. Which of the following is not oxidized by any oxidizing agent? And the correct answer is benzene. Question number 171. The correct order of reactivity of hydrocarbons is, and the correct answer is alkenes, alkynes, and alkanes. Question number 172. Reactivity order of halogene is. Question number 173. Alkyl halides are also known as the halogen derivatives of, and the correct answer is alkanes. Question number 174. Grignard reagent is formed when alkyl halide reacts in the presence with, and the correct answer is magnesium. Question number 175. Phenols are very reactive towards. Subscribe Rati Educational Academy for entry test preparation, job preparation and scholarship announcements. The correct answer is oxidizing agent. Question number 176. Both alcohols and phenols contains. Select the correct order of relative acids, strengths of phenol, alcohol and carboxylic acid. Question number 178. Carboxylic acids reacts with alcohol to form, and the correct answer is ester. Question number 179. Catalytic reduction of aldehyde and ketones forms, and the correct answer is alcohol. Question number 180. When aldehyde reacts with 50% of NaOH, this reaction is called as, and the correct answer is Cannizzaro reaction. Question number 181. Based on the function, thyronix can be classified as hormonal protein. Question number 182. Enzymes is a natural substance that increase the rate of chemical reaction. Most repeated questions. Portion of Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto Medical University, Islamabad. So stay connected. I will share question number 183 to 200. The word question number 182. The word ritual means, and the correct answer is custom. Question number 184. Choose the correct spelling and the spelling of renaissance. Question number 185. Choose the correct spelling and the spelling of expedient. Two spellings. 2, 3. 3 spellings. Question number 186. Choose the correct option from the following. Finally, the accused was found guilty dash the crime, and the correct answer is of the crime. Preposition question. Question number 187. Choose the correct spelling of deficiency. Question number 188. Hundreds of years old palace could not withstand the dash of heavy rain, and the correct answer is Havoc. Question number 189. He began to dash the heap of quarries very carefully, and the correct answer is inspect. Question number 190. How could the night is? Which kind of sentence is it? And it is an exclamatory sentence. Question number 191. Identify the error in the sentence. Choose the correct option from the below. Question number 192. It dash good players who bring good name to the country, and the correct answer is it is a good player. Question number 193. I don't think I dash be able to go, and the correct answer is I don't think I shall be able to go. Question number 194. Ethics is important for a peaceful and loving society is missing there. Question number 195. Engineers have been working on a new project for the last 3 years, and the correct answer is have been. Question number 196. The word credentials means, and the correct answer is qualifications. Question number 197. Identify the error and choose the correct option. Question number 198. Identify the error and choose the correct option. Question number 199. Choose the correct option. Question number 100. Question is negotiations between the two sides have broken down. Last questions. Question number 200. Choose the correct sentence. Your voice was recognized by me at once. This is the correct answer. Subscribe Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok and Facebook. Educational Academy YouTube channel has uploaded past paper of so many universities. If you want to know any other university or the admission process, just comment us. Rati Educational Academy will try level best to provide you complete and accurate information. Take care. For more videos, test preparation, admission information, scholarship announcements, subscribe Rati Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok and Facebook. If you want to join our WhatsApp group, you may contact us. Thank you.